Your question is, which of the following acts introduced a bicameral legislature at the center? Your options are A. 1961 Act, B. 1917 Act, C. 1919 Act, or D. 1915 Act. Right answer is C. 1919 Act. Your question is, who of the following was not the member of the interim national government formed in August 1946 AD? Your options are A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, or D. Jagjeevan Ram. Right answer is C. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Your question is, which of the following entry is subject of concurrent list? Your options are A. Population control and family planning, B. Public health and sanitation, C. Per person tax, or D. Treasure travel. Right answer is A. Population control and family planning. Your question is, the concept of judicial review in India has been adopted from the constitution of. Your options are A. UK, B. USA, C. USSR, or D. Australia. Right answer is B. USA. Your question is, in which list of the Indian constitution the Panchayati Raj subject is included? Your options are A. Union list, B. State list, C. Concurrent list, or D. Residuary list. Right answer is B. State list. Your question is, economic justice as one of the objectives of the Indian Constitution has been provided in. Your options are A. The preamble and the fundamental rights, B. The preamble and the directive principles of state policy, C. The fundamental rights and the directive principles of state policy, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. The preamble and the directive principles of state policy. Your question is, in which case did the Supreme Court first declare that the preamble is not a part of the constitution? Your options are A. Berubari, B. Sajjan Singh, C. Golaknath, or D. Keshavanand Bharti. Right answer is A. Berubari. Your question is, which one of the following is incorrect about the Indian political system? Your options are A. Secular state, B. Parliamentary system of the government, C. Federal policy, or D. Presidential system of the government. Right answer is D. Presidential system of the government. Your question is, consider the following statements. A constitutional government is one which 1. Places effective restrictions on individual liberty in the interest of the state authority, 2. Places effective restrictions on the authority of the state in the interest of individual liberty. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is B. 2 only. Places effective restrictions on the authority of the state in the interest of individual liberty. Your question is, who among the following has the executive power to admit a state in the union or establish new states? Your options are A. Parliament, B. Lok Sabha, C. Political parties, or D. Central government. Right answer is A. Parliament. Your question is, which of the following is correct? Your options are A. The Nehru Report 1928 had advocated the inclusion of fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. B. The Government of India Act 1935 referred to fundamental rights. C. The August Offer 1940 included the fundamental rights. Or D. The Cripps Mission 1942 referred to fundamental rights. Right answer is A. The Nehru Report 1928 had advocated the inclusion of fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. Which one of the following is empowered to alter the boundaries of states under the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Parliament, B. Lok Sabha, C. President, or D. Supreme Court. Right answer is A. Parliament. Your question is, which of the following Amendment Act of the Constitution deleted the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? Your options are A. 37th Constitution Amendment Act 1975, B. 38th Constitution Amendment Act 1975, C. 44th Constitution Amendment Act 1978, or D. 42nd Constitution Amendment Act 1976. Right answer is C. 44th Constitution Amendment Act 1978. Your question is, which one of the following is a directive principle of the state policy? Your options are A. Uniform Civil Code, B. Freedom of the press, C. Freedom of the religion, or D. Equality before law. Right answer is A. Uniform Civil Code. Your question is, the president can be impeached on the grounds of violating the constitution by. Your options are A. The Chief Justice of India, B. The Vice President of India, C. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha, or D. The two houses of Parliament. Right answer is D. The two houses of Parliament. Your question is, who of the following has been vested with the executive powers of the central government under the Constitution of India? Your options are A. President of India, B. Prime Minister of India, C. Central Cabinet, or D. All the above. Right answer is A. President of India. Your question is, who among the following presidents of India was associated with trade union movement? Your options are A. V.V. Giri, B. N. Sanjeeva Reddy, C. K.R. Narayanan, or D. Zakir Hussain. Right answer is A. V.V. Giri. Your question is, the Vice President of India is elected by the members of an electoral college comprising. Your options are A. Only elected members of both the Houses of Parliament, B. All the members of both the Houses of Parliament, C. Only elected members of Rajya Sabha and State Assemblies, or D. Only elected members of State Assemblies. Right answer is B. All the members of both the Houses of Parliament. Your question is, which one of the following terms does not appear in the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Annual Financial Statement, B. Appropriation Bill, C. Budget, or D. Consolidated Fund of India. Right answer is C. Budget. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. The executive power of the Union of India is vested in the Prime Minister. 2. The Prime Minister is the ex officio chairman of the Civil Services Board. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. One only, B. Two only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2.